It's not a generic statement to most actors.
Okay.
I'll have to say that. That's for a very small group of niche actors. So I think this is a genre that people have been interested in. They want to watch thrillers and people want to be part of thrillers because that's one genre that keeps you hooked. I've never had a story where you actually open with something like that without revealing what and then go back to figuring out how it was done and who did it. So that was a fun script in the first place to read. So for me it was something that I was instinctively attracted to as a story. And of course, Farah's character, I feel like you kind of discover new things about her with every episode, and it's beautifully crafted by him. I think it's a show which you're at the edge of your seat. Abhi aage kya hone wala hai? So it keeps you, that's the purpose of a thriller, I feel.
Yeah.
You don't know what's going to happen next, who's going to do what, and then everybody's real colors, secrets, as they say, secret starts to come out, and you're like, oh, this one's this one looks like this, but this one's not like that. And it's amazing how such amazing people have come together. And for me, Farah Zaidi is a character that I will, of course, remember for the rest of my career journey because it's a beautiful character that I got to play.
Yeah.
And I think it was one thriller that everybody loved. So I think this is a genre that people have been interested in. They want to watch thrillers and people want to be part of thrillers because that's one genre that keeps you hooked.
Yeah.
So I feel like it's not like people don't want to do thrillers. I feel maybe they are far and few because there are rom-coms that people want to enjoy more because it's like a happy ending which everybody wants, and it's a laugh riot in some films which you enjoy, a good laughter with family and friends. But thrillers, I think, have been there and everybody's loved them from time immemorial. For actors, yes, it's an interesting genre to be part of, so we are excited to be part of this one. A very small group of niche actors, because I think they are at that position, I believe, where they demand these things and those demands are being fulfilled. If they were not being fulfilled, they were not demands that anyone would, put forward. I assume if producers are going to be like, this is not what we are going to pay for, I think that will just go away, which is for most actors.
Okay.
Illegal had no thrilling element as such, so I don't know if it's my show. Is it illegal?
Yes.
I think there's another version going on.
Big thriller. अच्छा हाँ वो भी तो है ना, सब genres also है. Okay. Next.
No? Hasina something?
Hasina.
We'll keep you guessing. It's on Sony Live, 12th of July. Don't forget to watch it. It's there. But nothing shocks me because I'm in the entertainment line. Nothing shocks you.
Vampire.
Okay. So it has to be in equal measure. Genres the most. I have not been similar. Like there's Illegal where I'm a lawyer who's definitely not glamorous anywhere. And then my characters have all been very different, and that's been a choice that I've made very significant. People tend to assume that, or generally what the perception they have of you. But no, I don't think a family where I tend to not choose roles which are. This is very clear that it has to be a certain something that I can do on screen, and certain, as you must have seen from the trailer, everybody's peeping into each other's homes. A certain glamorous woman, I don't know. Farah is not a very glamorous image of Farah. I feel like her going for a swim, and it was a need for the script. So when it's been done for the story to move their film, it's not like that. So for me, if it's there for the right reasons, I'm in, and if it's not, yes. I'm not going to say it in a negative way because I feel like there's so much that goes on when you're making a film, and the producers are here to make money. So when they see that, a particular role which is like illegal, which is also backed as hell, and I feel like they would probably go to another actor who would give them maybe 100 crore at the box office, will be a Friday collection. Then they are a little, but with OTT I feel like now the makers, the directors, the team, beautiful feeling because now you can be part of shows where I feel both 36 Days and Illegal are two shows that I've done, and I'm forever grateful because those are both roles that I have really enjoyed, and I think my family.
A girl comes into a community
now,
Yes.
So it's important.
Leaves Karan, he seeks revenge.
Rape.
Animal
know about this film, but I can't.
The actress was इनका होना प्यार हमराज.
दूर रहने को ना.
And giving me the look, so that came naturally to her. Like कहीं कुछ ना कुछ कटा रहता है, ये कटा हुआ है, ये फटा हुआ है. So I knew that I was quite a naughty kid, but पता नहीं क्या कर रही थी. I don't know what was the purpose of it. Yeah, Sin who knows how to do
How much time to be in there and stuff like that.
Not more than 4 minutes. Right. Not more than 4 minutes at a time, because you can. It's not only physical, it's also very mental for me. I feel वर्कआउट करके मुझे अच्छा लगता है. सो एवरीबडी डज जो चीज़ें उन्हें अच्छी लगती हैं. सो आई फील लाइक इट्स समथिंग व्हिच इज होलिस्टिक फॉर मी. इट्स नॉट ओनली फिजिकल. तो आई डोंट ब्लेम द प्रोड्यूसर्स. दे से कि यार सेटअप्स होते हैं, यू नो, टेक दिस पर्सन, बिकॉज दिस इज फील लाइक विद ओटीटी वो प्रेशर नहीं है अभी. तो मे बी कास्टिंग इज बेस्ड ऑन हु फिट्स इनटू द पार्ट. Where I think ये जो हमारा शो है, I feel they've picked people who probably fit the role, or the director's vision or the team's vision who they thought fit the part. So I think OTT में कहीं वो liberty है for directors to actually जो वो vision है उनके दिमाग में to put forward to the audiences, and the audiences are liking it क्योंकि नया content. They see you and they already say ये बहुत बुरी actor है. You know, I don't think they've seen my work also. They've already given a verdict that I'm bad without seeing my work. I think a fairly decent performance like Aafate, which was an OTT film, they can cast you in a film like that. I don't think earlier they would cast me in a film like that. So I feel that has changed. Earlier they would give me the commercial rom-coms, which you fit. अब मुझे लगता है कि बड़े इंटरेस्टिंग कहानियाँ मेरे पास आती हैं, तो आई चूज फ्रॉम द वंस दैट कम टू मी. आई थिंक वो थोड़ा चेंज हो रहा है. आई थिंक वुमेन सेंट्रिक रोल्स भी ज़्यादा बन रहे हैं, which earlier was not a case. Because they are not interested in clicking everybody. There was a time where probably they didn't even know my name. Reason to have gratitude, and I'm not fed up. The people who are fed up, they should talk about this. I'm not fed up. Him, and I was like, what? You're meeting who? And he said Shah Rukh Khan, and I'm like, okay, I want to come too. So yeah, I went to meet him, and I was like, good bacche or something, and I was like, this is it, it's over for me. So both but I was like, oh my god, he was as charming as anyone could be. And then I think I don't know, obviously he doesn't remember, but I remember telling him, you know, there's a new thing called airbrush makeup. Probably you should try that. At that point I was very like, मुझे सब पता है makeup के बारे में, और that was my first film. So I was like, हाँ, so you should try airbrush makeup. Yeah, kind of thing, making my money, pocket money. But actual poster was my first film, Chiruta, which was everywhere, and I remember just too fun. I remember that poster very clearly, and I think it was one hell of a poster. So I think वो first time देखा था मैंने, and that feeling was amazing.
बता दो.
Of course, my house and my car. The house I paid off last year completely. Of course, loan, you have to clear your loan, and second car. But this is more like, chalo, abhi you're driving your own Mercedes.
But I call it, that was it for me. And once I was on set, I was like, wow, I love this. And I obviously wasn't inclined towards performing. I was into drama in school. And I would always come a stage, and I loved that a lot. I loved dancing. So I think all of that was, I wasn't aware what I really wanted to do, because not a lot of people in my family watched the movies, you know. But ek baar I did my first film, and I was like, okay, this is either.
Why? Love?
Yes, was indeed. Good. The world is my oyster.
Okay.
और मैं नेहा को बहुत सालों से जानता हूँ और बहुत अच्छी लड़की है.
Script. It's an adaptation of a show. So when I saw a little bit of it, मतलब मैंने पूरा शो नहीं देखा. I think Shruti seen the whole show, but the original one. But when I saw whatever I saw, I was like, wow, this is very interesting. And I love Vishal's work, and he's the king of this genre, horror and thrillers.
Yeah.
So for me, that was obviously a big point, and I felt like this is the character that I'm playing, Farah Zaidi. I don't think I've ever done anything like this before, so for me this was challenging, and it would like put me in a different, like, arey, ye mera private space hai, and there are people who have different opinions on, oh, you call the paps and all of that. No, not all the time. They know your cars, they follow you, and they want to click you, and there's nothing wrong with it, because I feel when I started, they didn't even know my name. I've been to, you know, when you have press gathering for it. So I have nothing against it. And if I didn't want to be in the public eye, this ki yaar chalo hamara show aa raha hai, प्लीज अब प्रमोट कर दो और कल मत दिखना मुझे. It's a give and take, and we are all feeding off each other. So you know, like, they stand in the sun all day. I know this for a fact that they're all trying to work here. So I have nothing against it. But yeah, I mean, they only, whenever I do interviews, they only pick the part where I say, oh, the wrong angles. No, there's a lot to them also. So it's not
like इतना तैयार होके हम जिम इसलिए जा रहे हो क्योंकि आप चाहते हो कोई देखे, कोई वीडियो बनाए.
नहीं, जिम आप वर्कआउट करने जा रहे हो, साथ में वो जो
ठीक है ना.
Because sometimes the people if you don't know where you want to be and you don't have the right mentor, there will be people who would probably try to guide you wrong. So I think it's very important that know who are the. I think when you're starting early on, difficult है to know like who are the right people. So I feel like your gut will never do you wrong. So trust your gut and go with it. नहीं है बैठे रहो, कुछ मत करो. Do the right things because that's the right thing. Because people will be अरे यार उसने जो भी किया अच्छा किया. But I feel my advice, what I have done through my career, like if there are 4 really horrible things, pick one because you have to stay afloat. Forget you because there's a new person launched every Friday. There are such amazing, talented people who come here every day, and there are so many other people who are struggling every day. So if you've got that opportunity, make sure you milk it as much people to even cast you. If you're not there, if you're not seen anywhere, they'll forget you.
Is there pressure to be relevant?
I think with this is what I was talking about when I was talking about social media. I feel like somewhere they say humor's gone. That's one school of thought that tells you that there won't be anything that people earlier जब stars होते थे तो आप सिर्फ पैसे खर्च करके सिनेमा में उनको देखने जाते थे. Then you had that awe feeling. And suddenly now everybody where they go. Where is also that if you're nowhere, if you're not seen anywhere, will you not be in the minds of the makers, and they will probably think of someone who's probably working and is visible. So I think there are 2 ways to look and pick either or whatever's suitable.
Yeah. Do you feel that आधी चीजें टेबल पे ही हो जाती है, like nepotism,
That they will get a second chance. Yes. But if a so-called kid from the industry's first film doesn't work, they probably will get a second film.
I agree. Second chance.
Yeah.
Sometimes more than just once.
Yeah, but in the end, which is what we forget to, and they want to know what they are doing. So somewhere, if the audience doesn't support them and supports the new kid whose film didn't work, maybe that new kid would have got that opportunity. But I feel it's all connected, so it's not based on that one person,
I think it's a mix of a lot of things.
और मुझे लगता है कि थ्रिलर जैसा कि विशाल ने कहा अब इनके शब्द में चुरा लूंगी. पहले इन्होंने एक भेलपुरी शब्द कहा जो के लिए वो चुरा लिया मैंने. फिर अभी एक और शब्द इन्होंने कहा बुफे डिनर. आई लव दैट कि जो आपको चाहिए वो इस शो में है. नहीं मतलब there is a little bit of comedy भी है, ड्रामा भी बहुत सारा है, and of course the highest high thriller का जो आप जब सुनते हो कहानी आपको लगता है कि ये तो मुझे करना है. तो 36 days, आफत इश्क, ये सारी जो कहानियाँ होती बहुत अलग हैं. Like it's not the run of a mill की वो एक पैकेज है ऐसा है और ये है. But I feel like उनकी कहानियाँ बहुत खूबसूरत है. 15 years now in the industry, मुझे लगता है कि ये दोनों बहुत स्पेशल हैं. इलीगल उस वक्त लिखा गया था जब आई थिंक OTT शुरू हो रहा था, तो शायद बहुत सारे एक्टर्स नहीं करना चाहते थे OTT. तो आई फील आई कंसिडर माई सेल्फ लकी कि वो मेरे पास आ गया. बिकॉज आई थिंक पीपल वुड हैव बीन पिकी कि OTT करना है या नहीं करना, बिकॉज इट वाज वेरी वेग कि यार वो किस जोन में जाने वाला है. तो उस वजह से मैंने इलीगल किया एंड आई एम वेरी ग्रेटफुल. अब हम सीजन 3 पे हैं और 36 days आई फील लाइक पता नहीं विशाल एंड द मेकर्स उन्होंने मुझे कंसिडर किया. बट आई फील लाइक बहुत कमाल की कहानी है पहले तो, और चीज़ें कुछ और होती हैं, ऐसा होता वैसा होता. बट फिर मैं जब कुछ लोगों से मिलती हूँ और मुझे पता है कि बॉम्बे आने वाले कितने हजार लोग होते हैं, शायद मुझसे भी टैलेंटेड होंगे जिन्हें ब्रेक तक नहीं मिलता है. सो आई फील लाइक समवेयर आई कंसिडर माई सेल्फ लकी कि मुझे वो ब्रेक मिला. और अभी क्या नहीं मिला उसके बारे में मैं नहीं सोचती हूँ, क्या मिल रहा है उसके बारे में सोचती हूँ और आगे क्या कर सकती हूँ टू get better work. Social media पहले नहीं था और अब है आपके पास, ताकि आप जब आप फिल्मों के बीच में बहुत टाइम तक गायब रहते हैं तो how do you stay connected to your fans? I think social media उसमें बहुत हेल्प करता है. कई बार जैसे कि अब हमारा शो आ रहा है तो certain awareness जो है कि इस डेट को शो आ रहा है, ये सब अगर आप वन ऑन वन अपने फैंस को कह सके, नथिंग लाइक इट. सो आई एंजॉय इट. ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर सम थिंग्स, ओवरडू किसी भी चीज का नहीं करना चाहिए आई फील. तो लाइक नेगेटिव वर्सेस पॉजिटिव अगर मैं देखूं तो मुझे लगता है कि पॉजिटिव ज्यादा है और मैं पॉजिटिव पे ज्यादा फोकस करना चाहती हूँ एज एन इंडिविजुअल इन लाइफ इन जनरल. एज मैं जैसी हूँ मैं ज़्यादातर पॉजिटिव की तरफ ध्यान देती हूँ, बिकॉज अगर आप नेगेटिव को इनकरेज करेंगे तो आप सिर्फ नेगेटिविटी को ही इनकरेज कर रहे हैं, एंड दैट इज़ रॉन्ग इन इटसेल्फ. तो मुझे लगता है कि मैं वहाँ पे अपने फैंस के लिए हूँ जो मुझे वहाँ देखना चाहते हैं. इफ़ यू डू सो मच वर्क देन देयर इज अ पोटेंशियल ऑफ टाइप कास्टिंग. I don't think so. I don't think so. I've been typecast because the kind of roles I've gotten are different. Yeah, rom-coms में मैं fit बैठती हूँ लोगों के हिसाब से. तो अगर आप इस तरह की फिल्मों को सपोर्ट करेंगे, क्योंकि एंड ऑफ द डे टिकट खरीद के जाने वाली जनता होती है, तो इफ दे आर गोइंग टू गो बाय द टिकट्स एंड इस तरह की फिल्मों को सपोर्ट करेंगे तो फिर वैसी फिल्में बनने लगेंगी. इट विल नॉट नीड अ हैवी स्टार कास्ट, यू नो. ऐसा नहीं है कि भाई एक प्रोजेक्ट बना लेते हैं, इनको ले लेते हैं, इनको ले लेते हैं. इट्स लाइक अ भेलपुरी. So I'm gonna take that line away from him. It's like a भेलपुरी. It's got everything in it. It's got all the flavors that you're really thinking there should be on a show like this. To get intrigue. Yes, and everybody.
Tick.
Yeah, so I was like, the purpose was solved. I think people were intrigued. क्या हो रहा है ट्रेलर में? What exactly is happening? क्योंकि हम थोड़ा सा कुछ रिवील करते हैं, सब कुछ नहीं रिवील करते कि क्या होता है, which is the exciting part of a thriller. Because with every episode there's a little reveal. Every character's secrets are coming out. So quite intriguing, I must say. For me, of course, Farah Zaidi is a character which is nothing like anything I've done before. So I'm very excited, and I feel story-wise, the whole the way he's made the show, I haven't seen it yet, so I'm really looking forward to that. There's so many layers to her character. What you see Farah as is not what Farah is, and then what you think she is in the first episode may not be what you see in the second, may not be what you figure in the third, and by the end you're like, oh God, you know. So when I was reading the script, I was like, this is something else. So yeah. I think जब ऑडियंस भी देखेगी शो में लगेगा अच्छा ये मुझे लगता है ऐसा that you having a certain kind of a face cast फिर बैठेगी इस रोल में. But I'll have to give the credit. I don't know who was, I keep saying Vishal, but maybe it was a cumulative decision with the makers, could be the producers, could be Vishal. So I don't know who cast me, but I was cast and I'm very happy to be part of it. Wanted all actors on set, you know, whether your scenes are, it's all there. ऐसा नहीं है कि आज यही होने वाला तो बाकी सब छुट्टी पे, ऐसा कुछ भी नहीं था. All actors had to be on standby. It's just so cool, like how wannabe he is. जो भी expect करेंगे, I think they'll be shocked कि वो नहीं हो रहा है इस शो में. Hi, this is Neha Sharma and you're watching me on Zoom.